Hello and welcome from the Industry of Things World 2017 here in Singapore. I'm here with Domonkos Gaspar from Autoneum. Hi Domonkos, and welcome to the conference.
Hi Nicholas.
First of all, I would like to ask you to introduce yourself and your background.
I'm Domonkos Gaspar. I'm working for Autoneum. We are a global tier 1 supplier to the automotive industry. We are producing heat and sound management systems. And I'm responsible for our global Industry 4.0 initiative.
Your presentation yesterday had as a topic the effects of Industry 4.0 on the human side of things. Can you just tell me a few more insights into what you talked about?
What we need to understand is that Industry 4.0 is ultimately going to reach the shop floor at some point. And we are those guys where this is reaching the shop floor. For us, Industry 4.0 is less about smart products. It is much more about bottom line improvement. It is about processes, process changes, data enhancement, more data, understanding of the data. And all that benefits are really relying on and guaranteed by the people who are running in the processes, who are responsible for the processes, who are involved in the processes, and ultimately whose work is going to change because of these changing processes. Therefore, it is very important to understand that although there is a lot of discussion about technology, we need to pay attention and take good care of our employees.
Based on your experience, how do you see the Industry 4.0 and its technologies creating the most impact at the moment?
Yes, indeed, and this is what we are talking about. It is creating a lot of impact, and it is the responsibility of the companies, as we defined here, the end users, to see which technologies are going to deliver benefits for them. It is ultimately important to understand by everyone is that Industry 4.0 is not a fashion, and sooner or later there will be no more money invested just because it is trendy. There will need to be a justification for that. So there will be a selection about the technology, and we're going to gradually move into a more mature view on what Industry 4.0 can do us. We will have a lot more benchmark, a lot more experience.
How do you see the next few years, let's say the 2 to 3 years of the future look like? How do you see them transforming?
First of all, I think that in the next, let's say 3 years, the hype is going to be gone. I think we're not going to talk too much about Industry 4.0 per se. Maybe some application of it, predictive, augmented reality, whatever. But the hype and to a certain extent the momentum will be gone. So what we need to take care of in the management of the companies is that we use these next 3 years so well that we set up our company, we bring our company into motion to transform itself. We need to use the current momentum.
What are your first impressions of the conference and the different networking formats? For example, the icebreaker, the networking dinner, and the world cafes?
These are all interesting ones. The World Cafe is a format which I'm seeing, let's say, for the first time and being involved in that. That's a great exchange. What I like in this conference is the right balance between the providers and those ones who are, let's say, the end users. What I'm wishing for the next conferences maybe is to have a little more focus on the benefits of Industry 4.0 on the bottom line at companies like us.
Well, thank you very much for your insights and have a great rest of the day here.
Thank you very much.